In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Freshbooks. Freshbooks is a great platform for managing your finances and projects, offering a host of tools that streamline these tasks for businesses and freelancers alike. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating a new project step by step. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Freshbooks dashboard. It might seem like a bustling space at first, filled with all sorts of information about your financial and project status. But don't worry. Take a moment to get your bearings and then focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you should see a menu featuring various options. Now, look for the section labeled Projects and click on it. Once you're in the Project section, you'll notice an option that says Create New. This is where you'll begin setting up a new project. A new window will appear, presenting you with two options: a flat rate project or an hourly project. Choose the one that aligns best with your needs. If your project has a predetermined price, go for the flat rate. On the other hand, if it's something that will be billed according to the amount of time spent, opt for an hourly project. Next, let's move on to assigning a client. This part of the setup is crucial as it allows you to specify which client the project is aimed at. If your client list is already filled out, this should be quick and easy. If not, you'll have the opportunity to add a new client at this point. Once you've gotten through assigning the client, you'll need to name your project. This step is vital for keeping everything organized and clear. Make sure to pick a name that is both descriptive and easy to remember. Enter your project name into the designated field. After this, it's time to set an end date for your project. You'll do this by clicking on End Date, which will open up a calendar view. Simply select the date by which you expect to complete your project. Setting an end date is beneficial for tracking deadlines and planning your workflow efficiently. Depending on whether you've chosen a flat rate or an hourly project, the next section will differ slightly. If it's a flat rate project, you'll be prompted to enter the total fee involved. Conversely, if it's an hourly project, you'll need to log the planned hours for completion. Go through these steps carefully, ensuring all the necessary details are accurately filled out. Once you've meticulously entered all the required information and double-checked it, the final step is to click on Save. This will store all the project information and officially create your new project in Freshbooks. And there you have it. Your project is now set up and ready to be managed and tracked. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your work and maintain an efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.